Okay, so let's go over how to use the MHW-3BOMBER grinder. So we have our espresso beans here. So it's recommended to use 15 to 20 grams of the espresso beans. And it's important to note that we are not using the sieve on this with espresso beans because we want the espresso bean grounds to be very fine. So if you do have coffee, you're going to add that sieve that comes with the grinder. And here, again, you have the 5 different types to add to the bottom here. So just go ahead and screw this on. Then we have the main chamber here. Go ahead and screw that on as well. Okay, and then the grind settings. So for espresso specifically, we'll want to go between 0 and 2 here. So that's between 0 and 20 clicks. And it just depends on how fine you want it. The lower the number, the closer to 0, that's how fine the ground is. So for this, we're gonna do at 15 right here. It's really nice, smooth, precise mechanism. As you can hear, it sounds really nice. So we'll leave it at 15 for espresso, and then I'll just take some experimenting with your espresso machine, how finely ground that you want it. Okay, let's take our beans, go ahead and put them on the top. Again, we have 15 grams, shake them in. Then we'll grab our handle, push it down, and then we can just start grinding. So it's real easy to grind. I'm not pushing that hard, I'm not turning that hard. Nice and smooth, little shake. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and twist this off. All right, and there's our espresso. Let's go ahead and pour it into our ramekin. As you can see, a little messy there. So it does have that magnetic interior. That way it sticks to the sides of the little container here. Just keep that in mind. And there's our nice finely ground espresso bean. Really nice fine powder. Then we go ahead and put this in our portafilter, and then we're ready to brew some espresso.